Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by disconnecting power and applying lockout for at least 30 minutes. Wear safety glasses and gloves while you inspect the machine. Visually check the die head, chasers, and feed guides for obvious damage. Use a 10 mm wrench to verify fasteners are snug and mark any loose ones for removal. Measure chaser clearance and guide gap to 0. 0.2 inches with a feeler gauge for baseline data. Check electrical connections for burn marks and loose wires. Record any unusual noise or vibration during a short manual spindle turn. Remove the die head assembly and label parts to preserve the assembly order. Use a service tag system to avoid misplacement of small components. Loosen cover fasteners with an 8 mm socket and store them in a labeled tray. Clean chasers and dies using solvent and a 400 grit cloth before inspection. Inspect chasers under light for wear exceeding 0.2 inches or hairline cracks. Replace any O-rings that measure 3.5 mm or show extrusion damage. Inspect bearings by rolling them and listening for roughness or reassemble the die head in the labeled order and apply thread lube to threads. Torque fasteners to 25 Nm using a calibrated torque wrench in a cross pattern. Refit chasers carefully and set backlash and feed clearance to 0.1 inches using a dial indicator. Add ISO VG32 lubricant, approximately 10 ml to the lubrication point labeled L1. Reconnect power and remove lockout after confirming no tools remain. Run the machine at 200 RPM and cut a 1/2 inch sample piece for inspection. Verify thread form, pitch, and smooth operation before returning to service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.